Currently here I am standing in the Tontonia Kalibari in the Bidhan Sharoni of North Kolkata, and just behind me is Ma Siddheshwari. The Kali Mata of this Tontonia Kalibari is profoundly and celebrated as Ma Siddheshwari. This mandir has been created in 1703 by a tantric named Udyan Narayan. The age of this temple here in Kolkata's North Kolkata is about 300 years, and this is the priest who has just spoken to the Prime Minister, and we'll get an understanding about his feeling. पंडित जी नमस्कार, आपसे बात हुआ था प्रधानमंत्री का, कैसा लगा आपका, अनुभूति कैसा था?
ভালো লেগেছে, খুবই ভালো লেগেছে। এবং আমাদের এই মন্দিরে এসেছেন সেটা তো আমাদের খুবই ভালো লাগে, এবং আমাদের সেবায়তদের, আমাদের পুরোহিতদের সবাই। হিন্দি আমি বলতে পারবো না, হিন্দি খুব ভালো লেগেছে, খুবই ভালো লাগता है।
आपसे आशीर्वाद मांगा प्रधानमंत्री ने, उसके ऊपर आप क्या बोलोगे?
আশীর্বাদ আমি করলাম, ফুল দিলাম, মাথা হাত দিয়ে আশীর্বাদ করলাম। উনি এক মনে এক ধানে থাকলেন।
आप जैसे बोल रहे थे कि प्रधानमंत्री को कोई छू नहीं सकता, आपने उसको छू के आपको आशीर्वाद किया, तो कैसे लगा, क्या बोले आपसे?
খুব ভালো লেগেছে, খুব ভালো। উনি এক মনে এক ধানে আমি যে আশীর্বাদ করলাম, উনি একাগ্রতভাবে আশীর্বাদটা গ্রহণ করলেন, এবং মায়ের আশীর্বাদ, আমার নাম মায়ের আশীর্বাদটাই দিলাম, এটা খুব ভালো আপ্লুতভাবে গ্রহণ করলাম, এই আর কি।
So what the priest here in the Siddheshwari Kali Mandir, or the Tontonia Kali Mandir as famously known as, said that he was very happy when the Prime Minister came himself, and the person who can never be touched by anybody was touched by the priest of the area. So he said that I felt really good, I felt so happy that nobody who can touch him, I touched him and I passed on Mata's blessing to him, and that is one of the best parts of the day. It is a memorable thing that he is going to carry for himself. As my camera person pans around, you can see the famous mandir, how much celebrated this mandir is, how much people actually feels for this mandir, how much people actually holds faith in the temple of Ma Siddheshwari. This is placed in Bidhan Nagar and Bidhan Sharoni of the very area. And if I give you an example of Ma here, Ma is actually given a non-veg prasad in this temple, and that comes from a history of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. The Tontonia Ma, or the Siddheshwari Ma out here, is offered weekly the dab chingri, which is a recipe of prawns made with dab. Dab is coconut in Bengali again. So with all that, Prime Minister had also offered Ma Siddheshwari in the Tontonia Kalibari with a non-veg prasad. The controversy of the BJP Bengal that has erupted between the Trinamool Congress Party and BJP about non-veg, Prime Minister proved that wrong, and as BJP was stating over the time that the fish and meat is not a problem, and here in the mandir, on the cultures of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, he had actually offered the dab chingri, and this is the flower vendor whom he brought the flowers from. You can see the placement of flowers that he had taken from here. The lotus was the key point that Pradhan Mantri had actually offered Siddheshwari Ma in this temple. I'll speak to the person and get an understanding. दादा, आपसे बात किए थे प्रधानमंत्री रविवार को, जब प्रधानमंत्री आए, कैसे लगा आपको?
बात तो सही उतना नहीं हुआ, लेकिन अच्छा लगा हमको।
आपको कितने रुपए का डाला लिए थे और क्या क्या फूल लिए गए थे?
जवा माला लिए थे, और रामकृष्ण देव शारदा माँ के लिए रजनी माला दिए थे, और भोले बाबा के लिए आग माला दिए थे, और कमल फूल।
ये मंदिर कितना जागृत है?
बहुत जागृत है मंदिर। इसका रामकृष्ण देव जब इधर पर साधना किया था, इसलिए बहुत जागृत है।
तो आपको जो 300 रुपए का डाला लिए थे, वो 300 रुपए का आप क्या करोगे?
300 रुपए का रख देंगे, फ्रेम बनाएंगे उसका। प्रधानमंत्री जी दिया है, वो नोट खर्चा करने का।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और ये जो पूछना है आपको क्या लगता है, कमल लिए थे, जागृत है मंदिर, प्रधानमंत्री का क्या मन की इच्छा इस बार पूरा होगा?
तो भगवान माँ ही जानता है, क्या यहाँ का मन्नत पूरा होता है, ऐसे भी अभी माँ ही बोल सकेंगे, हम नहीं।
What he says कि यहाँ का मन्नत पूरा होता है, शायद इस बार कमल खिले और मन्नत पूरे हुए, एंड दिस इज द fruit. This is the mishti seller or the sweet seller that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had bought the mishti from, and profoundly the peda. Peda is very famous in Bengal to offer to the goddess, the deities, and Prime Minister also brought these pedas from here and had offered Siddheshwari Ma, and I'll speak to the mishti seller out here about his feelings. दादा, आपसे प्रधानमंत्री रविवार को आके मिष्टी लेके गए थे, कैसा लगा आपको?
अच्छा लगा।
आपसे कौन कौन मिष्टी लिए गए थे?
एक ही जाई मिठाई लिया, बॉयल मिठाई।
पेड़ा लिए थे?
पेड़ा लिया था।
और क्या लिए थे?
आज कुछ दुकान लिया था।
तो कितने रुपए का हुआ था?
हुआ था 220 रुपए का था, 200 दिया।
तो वो 200 रुपए का आप क्या करोगे?
200 वैसे दे दिया।
वो रखोगे अपने
नहीं
पास?
रखता नहीं, कहाँ दिया?
That was the mishti seller who just spoke, and he says that it was 200 rupees, and that is he is also going to save that for his memory, and he felt really good as the Prime Minister spoke to him. And this is the view of the Tontonia Kali Bari, which is very famous because of the faith that people holds and because of the Jagrat Murti of Ma. The Murti here is described as the Jagrat Murti because of its awakening stature. This was brought as Ramakrishna Paramhans historically used to do his tapasya here, used to pray for Ma here, and there is where Prime Minister also came on his last day of campaigning, and this time he prayed for the win of Bengal, for the BJP to be established here, and as Siddheshwari fulfills everyone's wish, BJP also hopes, and especially the Prime Minister also hopes, this time may the lotus bloom in Bengal, and with that prayer he came to Tontonia Kalibari to Siddheshwari Ma, and may the wishes be fulfilled. This is Rita Chatterjee with my camera person Shazadip Paul, reporting from North Kolkata for Times Now.